Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Slack notifications for HubSpot deal milestones, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your dashboard. Click on the Automation tab in the top navigation menu. Select Workflows from the drop-down menu. Choose the existing workflow you'd like to edit, or create a new workflow. If you are creating a new workflow, select Start from Scratch. Once in the workflow editor, click on the plus sign to add a new action. From the action options, search for and select Send a Slack notification. You'll need to connect your Slack account if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompts to authorize HubSpot to access your Slack workspace. After connecting Slack, choose the channel where you want the notifications to be sent. Customize your notification message. Use personalization tokens to include specific deal details, like deal name and amount. Once you've crafted your message, click Save to confirm the notification setup. Now, set the enrollment criteria for your workflow. Decide when you want the Slack notifications to trigger based on deal milestones. This could include stages like closed won or deal stage changed. After setting your criteria, review the workflow to ensure everything is configured. Click Turn On to activate the workflow if you created one from scratch. Monitor the notifications in your Slack channel as deals reach the specified milestones. Adjust your workflow settings or messages as needed based on team feedback. Congratulations, you've successfully configured Slack notifications for HubSpot deal milestones. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.